Hey, hello guys, this is Jad. So today we were going to talk a little more about my upgrades on the truck, on the Ford F150. We'll talk about some of the stuff that I bought for it. Pretty basic and not too expensive. Bought it online. Most of the stuff I bought them online. We'll talk about that and stay tuned. Alright, so mode number 1, right here. I bought this off of Amazon. Remote start. Okay, so down here. It's a little plug and play here that you buy. It comes like that. All you do is just right here. It comes like that. All you have to do is just plug it into your port, and that's it. So there you go. There you go. That's it. And then it'll activate, and so the instructions are on the package when you buy it. The GATOR truck bed protector protection that I bought from off of Amazon as well. Paid like $130 for it. It's a soft cover. So far I had it for about 6 months, and so far I like it. I don't have any issues with it. So it is. You just open it and close it like that. You can roll it all the way to the front if you like. If you have like big items and stuff, you gotta load on the back of your truck. You roll it all the way to the front, and you got all the space in your bed. The only thing is that I noticed with this one is if you want to close the door in the back, you have to actually leave it open like this, and then close the door, and then just hit it a couple times, and it's pretty good. I rode it on the highway at 75-80 miles per hour. I don't hear any noise or anything inside the truck. Gate lift assist. Okay, there you go. This little thing here. My truck came without it, and every time you open the door just fall like heavy. I bought it off of Amazon too. It's like $20-something for one, and I'm telling you, man, it is worth the money. $20. No complaints so far on it. The bed liner right here, this thing, plastic, comes with this too. I bought it off of Ford. I went to the dealership and I bought it from them. I paid like $270 for it. Comes with a logo, with a Ford logo here. It's good because it protect your paint on your bed. It's got the holes here. You can connect stuff. If you like to put lights and stuff, it comes with the holes for the lights. I like it. I bought this small antenna. This small antenna here. It's got a really good range. So far I don't have any issues with my radio. It feels the same as if I had the stock antenna. So it's good. I bought it off of Amazon as well. I like it. There's different types out there. I actually like this one, and it's just plug, like you screw it in there. You don't have to do any mods. You don't have to do anything. You have to just plug it in there, and that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. All right. My favorite mode so far. Alright, so this is my next mode. I installed a 2.5 inch leveling kit in the front of the truck. It actually levels up to the back of the truck. I think it looks better. I like it. Again, it's not a lift, but the leveling kit is 2.5 inches more, a little higher. So put some good tires on it. And with this mod, with this leveling kit, I fit my next mode that I'm gonna show you guys, which is so far my favorite. Alright, next mode, the Nitto Ridge Grapplers tires. I freaking love these tires. They are the LT 295/70 18 rims. So you can see these are the stock rims that came with the truck. It doesn't give a truck a really good look. They fit on my tire well with a 2.5 lift. Leveling kit, and they don't rev anything. I tried those tires on highway speed, city speed, everywhere. They do change the mileage, the MPG on the truck, and the odometer. The odometer is 3 miles off, and then the MPG, it went down like a few miles, like 3 or 4 miles. So I gotta go and I gotta do a tuning to it and change the speedometer and the odometer, recalibrate it. But yeah, these tires are good. I like them. It's got really good grip. I don't hear any noise at all inside my truck. Honestly, these tires have like maybe 50 miles only on it, because I just bought them. I drove it around a little bit, but I'm telling you, these tires are really good. So I did some research, and the Nitto are so far the ones that I liked the most. The Nitto Ridge Grappler. I haven't tried it off the road yet, but they feel great. They feel really good on the street so far. I'll probably do another review on it when I have a few thousand miles on it, on the tires. Hey, they look great with my stock rims, and because I didn't want to buy new rims, I just want to keep it stock. Yeah, they're good tires. They look great. They did not come out a lot, so you can see it here. They don't stick out a lot, but they do have a good look. Next mode here is the HUSKY liners. The inside for the cover for the carpet, liners from the inside of the truck. I love this thing. I have a kid, and he's very messy, and all you have to do is just grab a broom or something and just scoop it up, grab a wet rag or something and just clean it up. I love it. I like it. It covers the whole back. As you can see, it covers the whole back in there. It looks like it came with the truck, so I just bought that. It's pretty simple to install. I recommend it 100%, and it comes with the ones in the front as well. Again, I recommend this, the HUSKY liners off of Amazon. Just take a look inside of the truck. Everything inside is pretty stock. I have not made any upgrades or anything inside the truck, so everything is stock inside. The radio here. One thing I like about this radio, about the system, is the truck is off. I can still power up the radio. You'll see the logo, the Ford logo here. And it's got CarPlay. I can connect it to my Pandora, everything, audio, cell phone. So you guys can see the front is pretty stock. It's the same. It's the same grill that came with the truck. So I'm working on getting a Raptor grill to install, and once I get that, I will actually do a review. I also want to install a light bar here. Take this off and put a light bar in there, small one. Small light bar will work. and probably change the lights. Alright, I'll turn it on. See the Ford logo here. Radio here. It's got 4 pads, so this is what's connected to my cell phone via Bluetooth right now. It's got CarPlay as well. I'm not connected to CarPlay now. The dash here is pretty sweet too. Let's give you all this stuff, all the numbers. You can go for towing if you want to tow. MPH. It's got percentage, oil life, the tire pressures. If you want to go like off-road, it's pretty cool. It gives you the status of the vehicle. If you move to the left, it'll give you the what degree you are, or to the front or back. There you go. So just the settings on it: Android, auto preference, my vehicle displays, all the settings here. It's got the trailer backup setting. To be honest, I never use this thing because I do have a trailer, but I don't use the trailer assist. My car is, again, it's not a 4x4, but it's got the differential lock here. So when you connect this thing, turn it on, a little light here will show up here and says the differential lock is activated, it's engaged. We'll go over that, how to use it later. Alright guys, pretty much it.